and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making homemade dog treats. There's only 5 simple ingredients, so you most likely already have them in your house. To start, I have my oven preheating to 350. We are going to take a ripe banana and add that to our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flax meal, a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using lactose-free milk because that's what I have in my fridge right now, but you can use any type of milk that you'd like. I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of peanut butter. The less sugar and preservatives in the peanut butter, the better. And lastly, I'm going to add about 1 cup of flour. We're going to start mixing this with a fork so that we can mash that banana with the other dry ingredients. Now this dough will be really sticky, so we have some extra flour on hand when we roll these out. You can always add more milk too if you feel like this mixture is too dry. Once you're done mixing it, you're going to put a little bit of flour out to roll it. I'm going to roll this around in the flour because it is a very sticky dough. Now I'm going to roll out the dough so it's about 1/2 inch thick. With any cookie cutter you like, I am using a bone-shaped cookie cutter. Just cut out your shapes and add them to a lined baking sheet. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Just look at these gorgeous golden dog treats. They smell so good, you guys. I'm just going to put them here on the cooling rack, give them a chance to cool off for a couple minutes, and then we're going to test them out with Odin and see how he likes them. I think it's safe to say, as he's running away with his treat, that dogs absolutely love these. They're super easy to make. They make great gifts if you're in a pinch and you need something for that dog lover friend of yours. I will finish cooking these, so again, just 350 for 20 minutes in the oven, and you're good to go. There's no need to refrigerate these. You can just store them in a Ziploc baggie or an airtight container and you'll be all set. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching. Bye guys!